Hi everyone, welcome to Green Habit Studio. Let me ask you this. Have you ever felt like the summer heat is literally draining the life out of you? The sun is blazing and you think you're staying hydrated because you've chugged a bottle of water. But did you know you could still be dehydrated? In fact, even mild dehydration can mess with your mood, slow down your brain, and zap your energy before you even realize what's happening. The good news? Staying cool and hydrated doesn't have to be complicated, even without AC. In this video, I'll walk you through 7 super simple steps that will not only keep you refreshed, but also boost your energy, protect your health, and help you enjoy the summer without the heat dragging you down. Stick around because step number 5 alone could totally change the way you handle hot days. Let's jump right in. All right. First step is where it all begins, knowing your personal hydration needs. And here's the thing, hydration is not a one-size-fits-all formula. What works for me, or for your best friend, might not be what your body actually needs. Men generally require more fluids than women because of muscle mass and metabolism. Athletes need even more because they're losing water through sweat at a much faster rate. And kids? Their smaller bodies heat up quicker, so they're more vulnerable to dehydration than adults. Even your environment plays a role. Living in a hot, humid climate or spending hours in air conditioning can change how much water you really need. So, how do you know if you're getting what you need? Here's a super simple hack. Check the color of your urine. Yep, sounds weird, but it's one of the best hydration indicators you carry around every day. If it's pale yellow, you're good to go. Darker shades? That's your body waving a yellow or actually brownish flag, telling you to grab a drink. Most common mistake people do? Chugging big amounts of water all at once. It actually flushes electrolytes and makes you run to the bathroom constantly. Don't wait to feel thirsty. Instead, sip water consistently throughout the day to allow your body to absorb it more effectively. Pay attention to your body's signals, your lifestyle, and yes, even the color of your pee. It's like your built-in hydration meter. Next tip is all about electrolytes, and here's the truth. For most of us, plain water is the gold standard. But there are moments when water alone just isn't enough. Think about those days when you've been running, cycling, or hitting the gym for over an hour, dripping sweat like crazy. Or maybe you're outside in scorching heat and your shirt is soaked. That sweat isn't just water. It's packed with sodium, potassium, and magnesium. Lose too much of those, and you're not just thirsty. You're risking cramps, dizziness, and even heat exhaustion. That's when electrolyte drinks step in like your secret weapon. But here's the catch most people don't realize. Electrolyte drinks are not meant for casual sipping on the couch. A single sports drink can carry more sugar than a can of soda. And too much sodium when you're not actually sweating it out can do more harm than good. So how do you know if it's time for electrolytes? Pay attention to signs like fatigue, lightheadedness, or muscle cramps. You'll probably need it during or after prolonged intense exercise, heavy sweating, or hot weather, to restore what's lost through sweat. Remember, water first, electrolytes when needed. Get this balance right, and you'll feel cooler, stronger, and way more energized all summer long. And here's the tip. You can also make your own natural electrolyte boost at home with just water, a pinch of Himalayan salt, and a fresh fruit chunks. Okay, and this is where it gets really helpful. You can actually eat your water. Yep, hydration isn't just about what you drink, it's also about what you eat. And some foods are basically flavored water. Take watermelon, for example. It's over 90% water and loaded with electrolytes like potassium. Or cucumbers. Ready for a mind-blowing fact? They're about 95% water, which makes them one of the most hydrating foods on the planet. Even strawberries and crisp lettuce are over 90% water. So when you're snacking on these, you're secretly hydrating your body without even realizing it. But here's the hack. You don't have to just eat them plain. Turn hydration into something exciting. Toss frozen grapes into your water for a sweet, icy twist. Make fruit-infused water with cucumber and mint for that spa day vibe. Or blend hydrating smoothies. Think strawberries, coconut water, and a slice of watermelon. And you've got a refreshing hydration bomb. Here's another interesting detail most people don't know. 20 to 30% of the fluids we need every day come from food. So don't just drink your water, eat it too. When you mix hydration-rich foods with smart drinking habits, you're stacking the odds in your favor to stay cool, refreshed, and energized all summer long. Next one might actually surprise you because it's all about the drinks we think are keeping us cool. But in reality, some of them are secretly working against us. Let's start with coffee and tea. You've probably heard the myth that caffeine dehydrates you, right? Here's the truth. In moderate amounts, your morning coffee or iced tea actually contributes to your daily hydration. If you're used to caffeine, that latte isn't drying you out. It's actually giving you water plus a little energy boost. The trick is balance. 2 cups? Fine. 6 cups? Not so much. Now, sodas and energy drinks. This is where it gets tricky. They might feel refreshing when you're hot, but they can spike your blood sugar, mess with hydration, and leave you thirstier than before. Not exactly helping, right? And then there's alcohol. This one's a biggie. Alcohol doesn't just fail to hydrate you. It actually doubles fluid loss by making your body flush out water faster. Combine that with high summer heat, and you've got the perfect recipe for headaches, fatigue, and even heat exhaustion. Ever notice you wake up extra thirsty after a night out? That's dehydration at work. So here's the rule. Water first, coffee and tea in moderation. Skip the sugar bombs and treat alcohol carefully, especially in hot weather. Your body will thank you later. Now, we get to number 5. Remember I told you it can change the way you handle hot days? It is all about timing and planning. And trust me, this one can completely transform your summer. First thing, exercise smart. That 7 a.m. run, gold. That 3 p.m. workout, danger zone. The heat index, which combines temperature and humidity, is your real guide, not just the thermometer reading. High heat index? Skip it or move indoors. Early mornings and evenings. Perfect for staying cool and keeping energy levels up. So, how to outsmart the sun. Check your local heat index before heading out, plan breaks in the shade, and carry a reusable water bottle everywhere. Even a few small tweaks, like shifting your grocery shopping to morning or swapping a sunny park stroll for an evening walk, can make a huge difference. And here's a little curiosity booster. Did you know your body's natural cooling system becomes less efficient the hotter it gets? That's why timing your activity matters as much as hydration itself. Plan smart, move smart, and your body will appreciate it. Stay one step ahead of the sun, and you can enjoy summer without feeling drained or overheated. All right, step 6 is where we talk about the cooling hacks that actually work, the little tricks you can use to drop your body temperature fast without fancy gadgets. For instance, clothing. Did you know that the color of your shirt can literally change how hot you feel? Dark colors soak up the sun, while loose, light-colored fabrics reflect it. So, that baggy white t-shirt isn't just a fashion choice. It's a heat shield. Then, pulse points. This is a game changer. Your neck, armpits, and wrists are spots where blood vessels run close to the surface of your skin. Cool those areas down, and you can lower your body temperature surprisingly quickly. Try holding a chilled water bottle against your wrist for 30 seconds. You'll feel the difference almost instantly. And here's a pro tip. Cool showers aren't just refreshing. They mimic evaporative cooling, the same process your body uses when you sweat. Don't want to jump into the shower? No problem. A damp towel across the back of your neck or a spritz of cool water on your arms can trigger the same effect. Bonus trick. Fill a spray bottle with water, keep it in the fridge, and mist your skin when the heat gets too intense. It's like air conditioning, but portable. The point is, small, simple adjustments can make the heat way more bearable and keep your energy up when everyone else is melting. Finally, the last point is absolutely crucial, knowing when your body is waving the red flag. Summer heat isn't just uncomfortable, it can be dangerous if you ignore the warning signs. Let's start small. Heat cramps. These are painful muscle spasms that often hit your legs, arms, or abdomen after intense sweating. Think of them as your body saying, "Hey, I'm low on electrolytes." They're annoying, but treatable if you act fast. Next level, heat exhaustion. Warning signs include heavy sweating, dizziness, nausea, a racing heart, and sometimes even confusion. If you ignore these, it can escalate quickly. The fix? Move to a cool place, sip water or a light electrolyte drink, and rest. And here's the most serious: heat stroke. This is a medical emergency. Your body's cooling system fails, your skin can become hot and dry, and confusion, fainting, or even seizures can occur. If you see these signs in yourself or someone else, call emergency services immediately. Quick action can save lives. Did you know you can actually use simple cues like skin temperature and sweating patterns to spot trouble before it escalates? Feeling unusually fatigued, dizzy, or suddenly very hot even in the shade? That's your body signaling it's time to cool down. Listen to your body, know the signs, and never underestimate summer heat. With a little awareness, you can enjoy the sunshine safely and stay energized, instead of ending up sidelined with a heat-related illness. So, that is your ultimate guide to staying cool and hydrated this summer. The truth is, keeping your body happy in the heat isn't just about guzzling water or hiding from the sun. It's about listening to your body, making smart choices, and adding a few simple habits that really stack the odds in your favor. From what you eat, to when and how you move, to the little tricks that help your body stay cool, it all adds up to feeling energized, refreshed, and ready to enjoy every sunny day without hitting that midday slump. Summer heat can sneak up on you, but with a few simple habits, you can stay ahead of it and even make the hottest days feel easier. Try these tips out, see how your body responds, and notice the difference. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and share it with anyone who's struggling in the summer heat. And don't forget to subscribe for more science-backed health tips, hacks, and tricks that actually make life easier. Drop a comment below. What's your favorite way to stay cool and hydrated? I'd love to hear your ideas. Stay refreshed, stay energized, and enjoy your summer safely. This is Green Habit Studio. See you in the next video.